You're watching Ketome TV. Knowledge is power.
You know, we talk about hormone replacement therapy for women and how that can influence the development of cancer. Is there some reason to assume that might be the case for testosterone replacement therapy? Or what's the mechanism?
Yeah, that's an interesting question. I think what's important with testosterone therapy is that there's different versions of these hormones, and it's an alteration in the signaling pathway itself. So there is some speculation as to whether actual testosterone therapy will inhibit prostate cancer growth or not. There's some new data, some new preclinical data on that, suggesting that may be the case, but I would need to read up more on that. It's very new.
Okay.
So that is one of the approaches that they're looking at, and the reason is that the testosterone that's signaling prostate cancers is typically an altered version of testosterone. So there may be some competition by giving the normal version of testosterone may outcompete the bad testosterone.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for giving us a little.
But that's definitely
something
to get into for prostate cancer. We'll have to look into that deeper.
All right. So you will follow up with us on that and give us
Yes.
more information in time. Okay. Excellent.
Thank you for watching Ketome TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.